Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and yes, I did another Dollar Tree haul. I went to a different Dollar Tree. This one was still in Peoria, but it was near the Target off of the 101 and Northern. So much stuff. I was not planning on getting anything. I didn't need anything other than a clear mug. I did find it, and I will show that to you. But I got some other great stuff. I mean, I was actually talking to the lady at checkout, and there was a couple things I purchased on the way out of the store. Usually, once I'm done with my aisles, I'm done. So, here is my mug that I got. Isn't that cute? It's going to be for my little snowman hot chocolate, or snowball hot chocolate. I also picked these guys up for a friend of mine. She saw mine and wanted to have some, and so I label them, and then they're just great to be able to pull out. You can't really see it, but that's how I keep all of my classes and everything organized. So she was helping me with my classes, and when I brought those out, she said, what a great idea, and so I had to get her some. Some of this, if you watched my live shopping with me, you saw that I picked this guy up. I've got so much stuff. I'm like running out of room. I was just telling my husband, I think I have enough DIYs to get me through the season. And then, but once Christmas comes out, we're in trouble. I picked up another one of these. They only had one. I couldn't find the others. Otherwise, I would probably have grabbed like 10 of them. And look at this wreath form. Well, it's not a form. It's an actual little wreath. It's so pretty. Just the shape of it. Do you see the overcrossing? So that was really pretty. I picked up some of these. I know it's $1, and I don't think that's a good price, but it smells so good. I also, for some reason, picked up food this time. I normally don't. But they had these little cream of wheats, and it's only a little 3-pack. And I was like, okay, well, I can grab that and have some cream of wheat for breakfast one day. I did grab this. I should have grabbed more, but I have so many ideas in my head. That's why I should have grabbed more. But I only grabbed one. Hopefully I could go back and get some. Usually I don't go to that Dollar Tree because it was not really good in the past. But now, I mean, they're really nice. I picked this guy up. It says Santa's Naughty or Nice List. I'm gonna have to start putting this stuff back in my back in the bags. I literally am running out of room. Okay, this is something that I saw as I was checking out. This is called the Silicone Travel Straw. And they had it in white, they had it in black, and then they had another color, but I don't remember what it is. But that's a silicone straw in there, and it comes with a holder. It comes with a little thing to attach to your key ring. I don't know about you, but how many times have I been caught without a straw, like going through a drive-through or something like that? They just forget to give you a straw, so I thought that would be a great idea to like keep in the car. The other thing I got, I did get a couple of these little Godiva chocolates. So I tried them, you guys. They are really good. And so I had to get a couple more just to keep. And then this one is a USB wall charger. I hadn't seen that before. So I grabbed one of those. This is the old style USB, but I still use those. The new ones, like I think they're called C's or something like that. I don't really use them. Another thing I grabbed is food. It's Marshmallow Cookies. You know what? I didn't have breakfast this morning, and I bet that's why. You can always tell, like, I'll buy food if I'm hungry, or sometimes I'll get through a shopping, like a little shopping spree at like a grocery store, and I've got like water, I've got soda, I've got juice, I've got milk, like everything. I said, I think I'm dehydrated. Your body just tells you, right? This is another food item, and I'm just looking right now. This is a sugar-free pumpkin spice flavored syrup. So how cute would that be to be on the coffee bar for the pumpkin season? And it is sugar-free, so that's good. I picked these guys up for a DIY that I'm going to be doing. I didn't even see what it was. It's a little rooster. I'm literally like picking stuff up, putting it back in another bag. I grabbed a wire jute that is for DIYing. I don't know what it'll be, but I always love the wire. I grabbed 2 of these little butterflies, and they sit down, and so I'm definitely going to do some pouring on one of them, maybe some paper craft on another. I haven't decided, but they're so beautiful. I also picked up some of these berry picks. It's a nice little thing for either fall or Christmas. And then a bowl, just a clear bowl. This one, not going to be DIYing this one. It will just be for fruit. Imagine that, using a bowl for fruit. All right, this one I picked up. Somebody had already kind of started taking this off, but I liked it, so I grabbed it. They did have a few of them, but this one worked. And so when I find one that works, I love it. So it looks like it's an index card holder, but I don't know about you. Have you seen the 100 envelope challenge, where you do 100 envelopes and you put like $5 in each, and then by the end you have what, $500? That's right, 5 times 100. So that was a great little thing, and I've been making one. I have it actually on my Etsy shop that I made for little ones, where they save $1 for 30 days. So it doesn't have to be consecutive, but I just thought that would be a fun little thing there. So I have to show you. Look at how cute these little guys are. If you remember the last ones, I got these, but look at how cute. They are just adorable. So I love this gray one, and then of course those guys. But you could take that gray for DIYs. You could take this little guy off and put like a little spider or something like that if you wanted to do it in a Halloween. I did pick up one of these, and that is because my nozzle isn't working on one of my spray bottles, and so I just wanted to get one that works. So literally that's all I'm using. I probably could have found it somewhere else, but for me it's worth it, just to be quick and easy. Okay, this was another find. You guys did not see this. I got 2 of them, and even the store clerks hadn't seen them before, but they're gorgeous. They're little candle holders. Oh, look, do you see all that shine? Look at that shine. Woo! Pretty. So I think I sold them to the clerks. Okay, if you saw my live, you saw me pick this up, but I picked up one in black. But when I was heading out the door, I saw this one in white, and I said, I think white would be better for me, because I could always color it if I need it to be a different color. And for me, it's easier to change white into black than to change black into white. Alrighty. If you saw my last DIY, I made some earrings, using paper craft supplies. Well, I needed a place to put it, and this is going to be the perfect little container to put all my wood making jewelry items in. So I grabbed that. I love these, and I do like the color. I'm loving the gray. What else? I picked up 4 of these. These are screaming organize me, and they are screaming DIY me. They're screaming label me. Like, I only picked up 4 because I did not want to be like the greedy person who bought all 20 of them, but I would have. So I did pick up 4 of those. I picked up this little welcome sign, and I don't think I'm going to DIY it. I think it is perfect as is. It's just so cute and just perfect enough for spooky season, right? It's not all grim reapery. So I just think it's super cute and enough to decorate. I have a little rocking chair outside my front door, and so I hang some of my little signs there. Now this guy, I picked it up just because he's so adorable. I mean, you could literally just take this off and hang it on your wall because it's so cute, right? Oh, look at this. Look at that. I didn't even see that. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? This is perfect for DIYers because now you have 2 in 1 if you wanted to make something and hang this one up. What? This is amazing. For $1. I haven't seen any of like the $5 items or anything like that. My store hasn't gone in that direction yet. But let me know if yours has. I picked up some of these little guys. I wanted to do a DIY with it, with some candles, and for some reason they didn't have candles. They did have the glass ones, but I didn't want to do it in glass. There's my food item. I picked up some hot dog buns. That saves me a trip to the grocery store. And I think that is everything. Yeah. I got another one of these guys. So I total of 4. Now, let me know what your favorite item is. I don't know what mine is. I think the fact that this has 2, one to hang and one for DIY, or of course you can always just use it as a box. But I think this one's my favorite. I still love the trucks. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I have a Luke Bryan concert to go to tonight. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, check me out. It's at Beauty and the Stamper. I'm also on TikTok at Beauty and the Stamper. And yeah, I'll probably be posting something from the concert tonight for sure. All right, beauties, have a wonderful weekend. I will talk to you later. And if you are taking part in my class tomorrow, we're doing the Frightful, what was the name of that? Festive and Bright. We're doing the Festive and Bright class tomorrow. For those of you who qualified to do so, who bought the Festive and Bright from my Stampin' Up! Online shop, you'll be getting that information in your email very shortly. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for just being a part of my family, and I appreciate you. All right, take care. Bye.